Okay, this is Florent, the mathematics user, and we want to look at rationalization. This subtopic covers both JHS and SHS. So now we want to look at rationalization with a monomial denominator. Mono means one. So with the denominator, we are going to have only one term there. So let's pick examples and look at how such questions are solved. So our first example, we have 3 on root of 7. 3 on root of 7. What we do is that we multiply the given set here in the fractional form. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So here our denominator is root of 7. So we multiply the numerator by root of 7 and the denominator by root of 7. Our focus is to clear the set, to do away with the set, which is the denominator. So now here, 3 times root of 7. We've learnt it already. A times root of b is a root of b. So 3 times root of 7 gives us 3 roots of 7. Then root of 7 times root of 7. As we've learned, the square of the square root of a number is the number itself, because square root means the number to the power 1 over 2 times here, the 2 here. So 2 cancels out 2. You have 7. So root of 7 times root of 7 is 7. And here, this is our final answer. Let's pick another question. For II, we have 3 on 2 roots of 5. The principle remains the same. We multiply the given fraction containing the set, both the numerator and denominator, by the denominator of the given fraction. So we have 2 root 5 here over 2 root of 5. Our focus is to do away with the set. So let's go. Here 3 times 2 root 5. 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 6 root of 5. Then here 2 times 2 will give us 4. Root 5 times root 5, as we've learned here, root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Then we continue. We are going to have 6 root of 5 over 20. Now we can simplify the 6 and the 20. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, into 20, 10. So we have 3 root of 5 on root of 10. Let's take another question. Okay, so we have our third question on the board, where we have square root of 3 plus square root of 7 all over square root of 2. So here, our main focus is to do away with the set, which is the denominator. So from what we've learned here, we apply it. So we are going to have the square root of 3, that's the numerators, on square root of 2, which then multiplies square root of 2 on square root of 2. Now here, let's see. The square root of each value here multiplies the square root of 2. So let's go. Square root of 3 times square root of 2 will give us square root of 6. Square root of 7 times square root of 2 will give us square root of 14. Then square root of 2 times square root of 2, from what we've learned, will give us 2. And this is our final answer. We do not continue because we cannot be simplifying this. But if you have a calculator, you can punch this straight away and obtain a decimal. I believe you understand. So these are sample questions on the board, from question 1 to question 5. You can try your hands on and then you send it to me. This is Florent, the mathematics tutor.